Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's 1:30 p.m. and today is 5th of January 2018. So, new year and today is the 5th day. Have you changed your mind? Have you thought about it? How do you want to spend the whole year? Right? Do you want to live with financial independency or you want to still try your luck, like it could be, I mean, it's more or less I call it as gambling. So what is it? I mean, are you determined or resolved to see learn the science of stock market, or you want to gamble? I am sure you must have decided that you want to understand the finer nuances of stock market and trade as a science, as a technology, not as gambling. So if you have done so, please go ahead and join tomorrow our live webinar. And we are those who are wanting to see whether they can fit in our setup or not, whether they would like to uh, you know whether they are comfortable or not, we are giving them a free trial tomorrow, right? But you have to be faster than others because it is on first come first serve basis, because we don't have many seats. So many of the people, some of you will be able to join, some of you may not be able to join. Those who could not join live, we'll send them the recording, but take an action fast, right? Take an action fast. Now let's talk about Nifty. Let's talk about stock. This is Nifty. Can you see Nifty is in a very, very narrow range? It opened above the pivot point and above the R1, right? And it's taking a good support. In the morning, it took a good support on R1, but from it could not cross R2. And now it's in a channel, but in a positive channel. It's not in a negative channel. But if you look into it, it's been like this is the peak that it has touched, 10,557, or rather I would say 10,563. This is the peak that it has touched ever, I mean, lifetime ever high in Nifty, right? So whenever something reaches lifetime high, or it is bound to have some kind of um, profit booking. So be ready, be very, very clear and ready about it. There can be profit booking anytime. So today, let me tell you the trades that I did. I traded in South Indian Bank, I traded in Cadila Healthcare, I traded in, I didn't trade, but I did find Rapco Home. That was another trade that I found. I traded in BHEL. I did a lot of trading today. So this is how, when I bought Cadila I bought right here, right the moment morning range was broken. I bought it and it gave me a good run up, right? That was a beautiful run up it gave me. This is how, when I saw the morning range breaking in the South Indian Bank, I entered into it. And similar goes here, Exide Industries. This is where also I have entered. So all of them have given good profit to me. So let me show you what I did today. A lot of trading I have done. So see here, Cadila Health, I bought it at 436.8. I bought a future lot. Then BHEL, I bought at 101.85. Then Chola Finance, I bought, but it hit my stop loss. Similarly, Bata India also hit my stop loss, but my stop losses were very, very tight. Very, very tight. I mean, 100, 200 rupees loss. That is it. RBL Bank, I bought it at 525. Then I bought South Indian Bank at 32.35. Tata Chemical I bought. Then I bought, recently I've just bought something, Exide Industries. So these are the trades that I have done today, and all as part of my learning and my teaching also to the members, right? Of course, I found Repco Home also when this voluminous, momentum was coming into it. Look at it. Look at Cadila Healthcare. It's looking very, very good to me. So it's given me more profit. The few losses that I had in Cholamandalam and in I hit the stop loss in Bata India and Cholamandalam. Those were about 100 200 rupees stop losses, or 300 rupees that I lost. All has been recovered by this Cadila Healthcare, BHEL, and South Indian Bank. They have covered all my losses. Okay, so what I want to tell you here, that let's talk about Nifty. Okay, before I go on to that, like you remember we gave you SPIC. SPIC, I gave it to you at 48 rupees. And look at it. Where is it today? It is we gave it to you somewhere here, 48 rupees. This was the point, right? And when did we give it to you? We gave it to you a couple of days back, like somewhere here. This was on I think 1st January. First, second, third, fourth, fifth trading day, 10% return, more than 10%. We gave it at 48 rupees. It is at 54.20. That means 6 point, or rather it made a high of today, a high of 58 rupees. So it gave you good 10 points. 10 points means 20% return. These are the returns the trades that we have given you are giving. Look at India Glycol. India Glycol. We gave it to you somewhere here at 420 rupees, and it touched even today 519. So these are the stocks. These are the like these are this is these are our positional stocks. This is how we identify. This is how we trade in them. This is how we create the consistent profits. So guys, I would say go ahead and join our webinar, because we want to teach. We want people, like I can tell you with very good confidence, that the members in my webinar are doing extremely well. Not only me, I mean, sometimes I do borrow their trades. And like SPIC, I borrowed from a member. He has found, and I gave it point blank. I gave it because I knew the setup was good, and it is about to give us a good profitable breakout, right? Look at JVL Agro, once again up, right? Look at Deepak Fertilizer, 420 we gave it to you. That's also going up, right? Any stock you can look into. Walchand Nagar, let's say what's happening in Walchand Nagar. That's also doing pretty good. Right? And then let's go here. Okay, so Rapco Home was also on my radar today. Rapco Home also gave a good breakout. Like I entered I wanted to enter at somewhere here, 699 or 700 rupees, and from here it has gone up to 716, and it is a future stock. It's a future stock, right? So these kind of stocks, how do you figure out, how do you find, how do you enter into them? That is what will be taught in our webinar. And also I'm telling you once again, even idea was on my radar. Right? These are all intraday trades. But what I want to tell you, the equity trades are very, very beautiful. The ones I have given it to you. Look at Goa Carbon. It's still looking to me heading up. I want to request you guys, if I give you a stock at 980, please don't enter at 1300 into it. One thing that you can keep in mind, when you are entering, if the stock falls, till what point will it fall? It'll fall till it finds a support. So where is the first support? Suppose you bought the stock at this point, 1329. If it falls, where will you get the support? At 1177. 1323 you bought. Where is the support? 1160 rupees. Good below 200, roughly about 175 points below. Are you ready to take that amount? Your stop loss should be very, very close. Keep that in mind. I hope you all understand what I'm saying. You have to keep your, look at this. Where has it gone? Cadila Healthcare. Cadila Healthcare has just gone above, way above, and really, really doing well. Good. Even now, this Excite India is heading up. This is also doing fine. And I have another stock, Tata Chemicals. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my running trades right now. Fine. So what I'm saying, that whenever you are entering into a stock, something that you have to remember, and please don't forget, don't ask me to analyze your stocks. You have to learn yourself, right? I will analyze your stocks only when you will be in the webinar. Please don't send me personal requests, because it's not possible. You have to understand that I don't have time. And if I don't analyze your stocks, I know you will be feeling bad, but I have no time. I honestly have no time. I can't comment. I can't do anything. I will talk about only the stocks that I have found, right? So what I want to tell you here, like, suppose I gave a stock at 980 rupees. You can see my stop loss is very close, right? But if you look into here, the gap between the 10 moving average and the stock is huge, right? I will never give such a stock where the gap between the price and the moving average is huge. Why? Because I want my stock to be very, very close, very, very close to the moving average. Why? Because I am not ready to bear so much of losses, right? So what you have to remember that your stop loss should be very, very clear, close and clear. Now, if you buy in this candle, where is your stop loss? One stop loss is at 1160. The other stop loss is at 1060. And then this 10 moving average, right? These are your stop losses. Are you ready to take so much of stop loss? See here, for me, whenever I'll give you, my stop loss will be very close, very close. That is something you remember, right? So never enter when the price has been left. Let me show you another example. Look into Vent, right? Like, look into Vent. I I remember, when I spoke to you, when I found it, it was here. But next day when I saw it was here, I cannot suggest still to buy this stock. Why? Because now my stop loss is way far away. Although next day it went up, I cannot give it to you. Why? Because my stop loss will be far, far away. I want my stop loss very, very close, right? So keeping that in mind, you have to only identify stocks whose stop losses are close. All right? Never do this mistake, because it's your money, and as I have told you, you have to take responsibility. Do responsible trades. Don't do irresponsible trades, because your money is going to go away. Nothing else will happen. Nobody is going to be losing. It's only you and you who will be losing the money, right? So stop losses have to be very close. They can't be far away. If you take this at this particular point, where do you think you will get the first support? Ye first support, this is the first support, this is the second support, and these moving averages are also your supports, right? Far below. I will never give you such kind of a trade. So look at the trades that I have given you: Goa Carbon, Flips Carbon, JV Allegro, SPIC. Which trade do you want to talk about? Which trade do you want to talk about? Today itself, SPIC has moved 10%, 10.35%, right? These are the beautiful run-ups these trades have given. As I told you, my intraday trade is this. Cadila Healthcare. You can see how it is heading up, how beautifully it is heading up. I bought it, I showed you, I bought it at 436. It's at 443 rupees, right? So these trades are the trades that I will be teaching you. As I told you yesterday also, and I'm today again telling you, whosoever does webinar with us in the month of January, whether you do Hindi webinar which starts on 21st of January, or you do English webinar which starts just tomorrow, you will get intraday trading technique complementary, right? But February onwards, intraday will be separate, and positional will be separate, right? So if you have to join us, please make a fast decision. And as it is, I have told you, there is nothing that you need to worry about. Why? Because we ensure whatever you invest, you get it back. You get it back, right? While doing your training with us, we will teach you, we will do trading with you, so that whatever is your investment, you have got it back. Okay, so get ready and take that initiative. Let the year 2000, 18 be the financially independent year for you, right? Now let's analyze once again Nifty quickly, because today I plan to make a Hindi video also, because I've been missing that video. And as my determination, I will be really ensuring that I have another, I make a Hindi video also. So see here, Nifty is trying to take a support. Can you take this? Can you see the support? This is R1 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 candles means good about 2 hours, 15 minutes. Now, next candle has also started. It has taken good support. Right now, let's go and see what's happening into its option chain. 10,500. This is the call writing that is happening. At the same level, the put writing is huge. Hmm? Let me refresh and see what's happening. So call writing has gone up, even the put writing has gone up. That means one thing is sure, that the Nifty is not going below 10,500 today, right? Which is evident over here as well, because this line is a big, big support. 10,531 is a huge support Nifty is getting, right? So from here, we expect, Nifty to again have a, I mean, if it does not break this distance between R1 and R2, then at least it should remain positive. Nifty's stance is going to remain positive, right? So if you want to learn intraday, positional, options, futures, equity, every single format we teach and every single thing we will be teaching you, right? Get ready to learn with us and create good, beautiful trades every single day, right? This is what I have to offer. I'm waiting for you all. If you want, just send me a text at, go to my YouTube channel and send me an email, send me, go to my website, do whichever way, like whichever way you want, you can contact us. We will get back to you by giving you. In case you happen to miss it, I will try to give you another recorded video for Sunday. Now see here, you can go to the contact information, go to my YouTube channel, go to the description box, and website, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, email, phone, and WhatsApp number. Here you can WhatsApp it to me, you can phone, you can send the phone, you can call up over here, you can send the email over here. Do whatever you want and reach out to us. We will give you that opportunity to have a look at the setup, but we will not be teaching any trading technique tomorrow. That is something I want to make clear. So don't expect any trading technique to be there tomorrow, but to be able to see how will you be comfortable doing online trading with us or not. For that, we will be having, a trial run tomorrow. For that, we are giving you, it's going to be just an ice breaking session. So if you're ready and if you want, please contact us. We will ensure that you have it. You have all the trading details, all the training details tomorrow, by tomorrow with you. All right, guys, with this, I'm signing off, but I'm really looking forward to meet you all. Nifty, where we stand, is in a narrow channel. There could be a possibility some amount of profit booking may come into, right? So if it comes, I'm not going to plan. I have done enough trading today. I'm not planning anything more. And all my trades have hit the jackpot, like see here, Cadila Health is still heading up. Excite India is heading up. South Indian Bank is heading up, and this I've already booked profit. So enough. It is basically for my satisfaction that my accuracy is better now or not. That is why I trade so much. Otherwise, intraday, even when I will teach you, I will tell you to only trade once your 100 trades have met your target, like they have been accurate. Then only I will say, go ahead now, trade. So now advanced enzymes has also given a good breakout today, right? So guys, I hope that you are all satisfied with what I have, what kind of trades I have given to you. India Glycol, advanced enzyme, except tin plate. Tin plate is still, now at least it's not. Its mindset is not negative. I think now tin plate should also do well. Look at VIP clothing, right? Where did we give it to you? 53 rupees, and it's still, what a beautiful run up, right? Do you need more accuracy? Do you need, also I want to tell you guys once again, you have to be careful. You have to know which is stock pro and which is a copied, like channel, right? Many people are, copying our trades. Many people are, trying to replicate what we are doing. Just be aware, just know about it, and then only make your decision, right? I'm waiting for you all. See you tomorrow. Go ahead and enjoy financial independence in year 2018, right? So as of now, I think we'll have new trades on Monday. I showed you today. Look at my this view. I'm really enjoying this run up that's coming up in Cadila Health. I bought it a future lot at 436. It's at 443.50. One lot is 1600 rupees. Already, it's a 7 points profit that I have already earned. So 1600 into 7, how much is that? You can just quickly calculate, and it's good about more than 11,000 rupees if I am right. So this is how you will also be able to generate your profits. All right. So good day, guys. I want to see you there. I want you to have good financial independence in the year 2018. Good day. Bye bye. See you on Monday, but before that I want to see you in the trial webinar tomorrow. Bye. Good day.